Hi everyone, it's Eddie here again. I've got an awesome unboxing today. So I treated myself this month to some new art supplies, courtesy of myself, but also a lot of my supporters over on Ko-Fi. So thank you so much, guys. You're keeping me being able to make some awesome stuff for everybody. So this is from Blick, as you can see here, dickblick.com. And I shopped their cyber sale. I believe it was their Cyber Monday is when I shop, I believe. Don't quote me. All right, hope they didn't put anything naughty at the top. Aha, well, they didn't put a safety guard on there because I just knocked over all my brayers. That's okay. What's going on here? Let's get this stuff out of the way. All right, so let's take it one by one. Ooh. Craft packaging is always craft's best friend. That goes in the save pile. So let's see here. What's in the box that I don't know about? There's one color or one paint in here. I've been wanting this one for a very long time. Ever since I saw Queen P over at PM Artist Studio use it. And it's discontinued, so I'm so happy I got one. It's the Sennelier acrylic, extra fine, artist quality, acrylic orange, or quinacridone burnt orange. I won't try to pronounce the French, but that's in English. In Spanish it's naranja tostado quinacridona. Yeah, without glasses, it's pretty good. It's number 642 series 4. Oh, it's so cold. It literally just came in the door and it's like freezing cold. Look at that. Oh. If you watch PM Artist Studio live streams, you've seen Queen P over there use this on her jelly plate many times. So that is a plus. And then I picked up some of these Blick fluid acrylics that I wanted to try out. This is the gold green, and look, it's pretty transparent. It's from their 2 series. And then there is this one is unbleached titanium. It's semi-opaque. So you can see, you know, it's actually kind of similar. In fact, I guess depending on how much you brayer it out, if you're using it on the gel plate, but look at that. Can't wait to try those out. And then I've got here, okay, so this was another treat because y'all know, a lot of y'all know these are not inexpensive. But like I said, I've been saving my pennies, and I got some transparent red iron oxide, which I've been missing from the collection. I have it in an open version, meaning that it's got the extender in it to keep it from drying fast. But I didn't have this one. I have to re-up on this because I was just doing some prints right before this showed up, and this guy is pretty much empty, the small version. So it's something that I know I'm going to use all the time. The phthalo turquoise phthalo. And then, of course, the iridescent bronze fine, which is amazing. And if you've watched my latest long haul video where I use paisley stencil, and this is one of the paints I use, and I spray water on it to create a really cool effect because it separates into different colors. Check that out. I'll try and tag it in the video or in the comment section so you can see it. So that's a must-have. And then here, what is this? Oh yeah. So I wanted to get some more of these pearl paints by Amsterdam because I have the red one, which I have another red one here now too. Yay! It's always good. But Anyway, I didn't want to invest in all the large ones, so I said, let me grab a sample pack of the pearls and try them out. I'll show you what colors they come in. And on the back, they have each color listed with the number. They have it in I'm assuming Dutch and English and Dutch, because this is a Dutch company. Made in the Netherlands. There you go. So you get your colors, the numbers, the size, or the amount rather, 20 mil. I believe that's 1 ounce. Okay, what do we have here? There is a white, pearl yellow, pearl red, pearl blue, violet, and the green. So these are iridescent paints, but like you can see here, they're transparent. The open square means transparent. And so it's great using it as an isolation layer when you do gel printing. So those are going to be fun to use. And I got another of these Molotov acrylic markers because I love them. This is the gold. Why y'all gotta make the writing so small? Metallic gold, yeah. And these are great. If you've seen other videos I've had, I have a blue one, I have black and white, and I have what's the other one? It's like a tomato red. I don't know. They're not in front of me. Anyway, these are refillable. That's why I love these. So like, I can show you the white refill. I'm gonna use the white more, so I bought the refill for it. And this is what it looks like. And I think the pen was like $8. But then you can refill it, or with whatever acrylic you have. Acrylic cloth. All right. What's this? Why did I get a jar of something? Oh, this was a treat as well, because I wanted to try it for a while, but it's, it's on the pricier side. However, it was on sale. So I said, let me give this a shot. This is Daniel Smith Walnut Ink. Acid-free, natural, walnut-colored drawing ink. Excellent ink for dipped pens or brush. And I will probably use it with a brush. So I'll have to try it. Let me see. I always have to open the jar. It's sealed. Good, because I'm a klutz. Let's keep that nice and sealed. Huh? Pretty label. And then, of course, I had to get these because scissors would be useful, Eddie. And I'm probably moving this box away. So Karen McCoy, aka Slapping Paint on Paper, has been using these metallics, and I've been so jelly. So Liquitex had a big sale for the holiday. So I said, why not treat myself? There's a metallic purple, green, aqua green, the burnt orange, which is beautiful. I've seen Karen use that one a lot. The metallic yellow gold, and a metallic magenta. So these are fabulous. They're all opaque, as most metallics tend to be. And they also have great information, Liquitex jars. I'm so excited to use these. And then, of course, I had to re-up on some paper. So I re-upped on this Yasutomo sketch paper I use a lot. You see me use this on the gel plate. It is a rice paper. It's great for pulling prints. It's a you could use it for calligraphy, painting with ink, that sort of thing. So that is wonderful. And it's a 48 sheet pack, 9 by 12. It has gone up in price, which is, understandable considering the state of things today, but it did not go up too much. I got it on sale, I think for like $13. Normally on sale it would have been $9.99, but sometimes you gotta bite the bullet, right? And it's not like I'm buying it every single day or every month. It'll last me a while. And then I decided to treat myself to some Jack Richardson printmaking paper. I know Mariah and P over at PMR Studio like to use this. Now this is the 9 by 12. It is an 88-pound acid-free paper. And I want to open it because I've never used it, so I don't know what it feels like. But let's see here. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, look at that. Good, nice thickness. I feel like there's a texture on one side more than the other. I could be wrong, but that's what it feels like. Love it. Yeah, so there's a lot in there, 50 sheets. And this is 48. Couldn't tell you how much this one was. Totally forgot about that one. But yeah, so I'm excited. So I'll have to come up with some, things to do with these. Get some, fun combos going. Get some new stencils out to play around with for you guys. I do have some new stencils that are on the way from some fellow designers and from PMR Studio themselves, and some foam stamps. So those are on their way. So yeah, a lot of new stuff coming. A lot of new stuff coming. But I had to treat myself because I've been working very hard this year. And I don't get to do much. I don't get to travel like I used to. I don't get to do a whole lot. So I decided to treat myself. And with the help of, as I said earlier, my supporters over on my Ko-Fi page, I said, you know what? I gotta do a nice purchase for, this is mainly for gel printing. But I use paint and other stuff too, but it mainly for gel printing, and to try new things out, like the Richardson paper, the walnut ink, these, try out new paints from other brands, and then I had to get this one because this one, every time I see it, I crave it, and I finally have my own. Yay! Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this fabulous unboxing. And if you have any comments or questions, don't forget, drop a comment. I love those. And hit the like button and subscribe. It's the easiest and the least expensive, free way to help me out in my on my YouTube journey. So thank you so much. Bye.